Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb, and in this video, you're going to learn how to check the mapping between the logical availability zone names to the physical availability zone IDs for your AWS resources. Let's get into it. Let's start by looking at this user guide. Here it says to distribute resources across availability zones in a region, AWS maps the physical availability zones randomly to the availability zone names in each AWS account.
Attention!
This means that account 1 in US East 1A availability zone might map to the physical zone ID of US E1-AZ1, and another account, say account 2, in the same availability zone might map to a physical availability zone ID of US E1-AZ3.
That's what I'm talking about!
To check which physical availability zone IDs your resources map to, let's head to the VPC service, then click on VPCs. Here, I have two VPCs available. I'm going to pick the second one that ends in 876 and copy the VPC ID, then click on Subnets in the left menu.
Keep your formation!
Paste the VPC ID in the filter bar to restrict the subnets to that VPC only. Then scroll to the right to see the mapping between the logical availability zone names and the physical availability zone IDs. For example, in this VPC, we can see that the US East 1A availability zone name is being mapped to the physical availability zone ID of US E1-AZ1. There you have it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.